Alright, Toolerinos, fun little update on needing to use my tool tote, my tool caddy. My uncle helped me today put this new toilet in, and it was quite the job. Multiple kind of pain in the butt things, no pun intended, because it's a low clearance toilet, low clearance to the wall. It's a special order toilet. It was almost $300 from Lowe's, but we finally got it in and all set up and working and no leaks, and huzzah. But now I find myself with a whole bunch of tools from multiple trips to the shop, and I need to get them all back there. So let's see if they all fit. Got my Vaughn wrecking bar to go with my Vaughn framing hammer. Channel locks. Knockoff vice grips. Utica adjustable wrench. Epoxy putty. Putty knives. Scraper. I don't know if you guys have ever seen one of these or used one of these, but it's a graphite pencil where the entire pencil is the graphite, and it's really cool. Unfortunately, a piece of the film on the outside has been torn off here, so now if you touch it there, you get graphite on your thumb or your fingers, and so maybe a little duct tape will fix that. But pretty nice pencil to use. It really takes a long time to get dull. But anyway, I got one of these, but decided just to use the regular wax ring and gloves for mixing up the putty, the epoxy. And it all fits. Huzzah! No problem. To the shop!